There was a time when I looked confident on the outside, but inside I was filled with doubt. Every meeting, every project, every decision, I was constantly questioning myself, am I good enough for this? What if I mess it up? And maybe you have felt that too. The pressure to perform, while secretly wondering if you belong. Today I want to share the truth, how I build real, unshakable confidence after years of silently doubting myself. Because if I can shift it, you can too. Let me talk about the hidden cost of doubt. Let me tell you, doubt doesn't destroy you overnight. It erodes you quietly. You hold back in meetings, you overthink your decisions, you stay silent when you have something valuable to say. And the worst of all, you start shrinking to fit into other people's expectations. That was me. I was doing good work, but I wasn't owning it. I delayed speaking up. I hesitated to lead boldly. And deep down, it wasn't a skill issue, it was an identity issue. Now, let me tell you the turning point. The shift came when I realized confidence isn't something you are born with, it's something you build. It's a habit, it's a decision, a muscle. So I started small. I celebrated my small wins instead of brushing them off. I started speaking up even when I felt nervous. I made it a goal to keep promise to myself. No one was watching, but I was. And the more I showed up for myself, the more my confidence grew. How I convert a confidence as a competence. I coach leaders and I tell them this: confidence is not personality, it's a skill. Just like a communication, just like a strategy, it can't be learned. It can be strengthened, mastered. In L.I.F.T, we train leaders to build their internal voice, practice visibility, reflect on real strength, step into growth zones intentionally. Because true confidence comes when you align your action with your identity. So if you are battling doubt right now, know this: you're not alone. And more importantly, you're not broken. Start small. Keep your word to yourself. Speak even if your voice shakes. Because your mission, your message matters. And when you believe in yourself, others will follow your lead. If this message resonated with you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is ready to stop doubting and start raising. Let's build leaders not just with skill, but with self belief. This is L.I.F.T, and this is just the beginning. Thank you so much.